Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to extract audio from any video quickly and easily, so you can save it as music, a podcast, or even a voice note, and use it anytime you want. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. All right, so what we are going to do first is open any web browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome, but you can use whichever one you prefer. Once you are there, go to the search bar and type Audio Extractor. Make sure you use the same website I'm using since it's reliable. I'll leave the link in the description and also in a pinned comment. Now that we are on the website, the first step is to upload your video. You can either click on the Open Video button and select your file from your computer, or simply drag and drop the video directly into the page. After that, just wait a few seconds for the file to upload completely. Next, you will see several output format options. You can choose between MP3, WAV, FLAC, OGG, and more. If you're not sure which one to pick, MP3 is the most common and works perfectly in most cases. So go ahead and select MP3 and then click on the Extract Audio button. Now just wait for the process to finish. This usually takes a few seconds depending on the size of your video. Once it's done, you will see a download button. Click on it, and your audio file will be saved to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. And that's it. Now you know how to extract audio from any video quickly and easily.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!